Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create this long shadow effect in Adobe Illustrator. A really cool but simple idea that you could apply to many forms of graphic design, ranging from front covers of magazines, poster designs, leaflets, flyers, but a really cool idea. Okay, so just going to use my selection tool here and just select everything and press backspace to remove. What I do need to do now is make sure that I unlock this by right-clicking on it and pressing backspace now to start from afresh. Okay, so first thing I'd like to do is create my background on my artboard here. So what I'm going to do is just simply use my rectangle tool, and I've chosen this sort of mustardy, yellowy, orangey kind of color. And I'm just going to come through here and cover the whole artboard. Now I want to lock this to the artboard. So the keyboard shortcut to do that is Command-2 on Mac or Control-2 on Windows. And if you want to unlock, you saw me do it earlier, you can go right click on the object there, unlock rectangle. Okay, so obviously I need to create my text. So I'm going to come through with my type tool here. And let's write in long shadow. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. And I might resize it myself manually. So let's press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to resize my center point and Shift at the same time to keep it nice and proportionate. There we go. And let's place that about there, let's say. Right, so now I'm going to need to just duplicate this twice. So the shortcut to do is Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. I'm going to duplicate one there. And I'm going to duplicate one there just off the artboard, like so. Now what I'm going to do with my selection tool is select the both of these here, not this one. And if I go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, I want to come through here and go Specified Steps. And I'm probably going to say about 1,000 steps in there. And I press OK. And then I can go Object, Blend, Make. Okay. So as you can see now, our shadowing has really come to life. I'm just going to come through now and change the color of this duplicate long shadow. It's around that kind of color. Perfect. And now if we just place that on top there, like so. And now what I do is just want to make a little clipping mask. So yeah, again, use my rectangle tool. Make sure I remove the fill to cover the whole artboard here, like so. And then we use our selection tool, select everything. And you want to create a clipping mask now. And the keyboard shortcut to do that is Command-7 on a Mac, Control-7 on Windows. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create the long shadow effect in Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more about the courses that we offer at our school or anything about us as tutors, please make sure you take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.